2025 Green Interior Design Trends: How to Style Small Spaces Like a Professional Designer. Modern Minimalist Home Decor Ideas. Step into 2025, where green transforms interior design.
Hello and welcome to Design Dimensions. In this video, we'll explore the beauty of home interiors, garden spaces, and the latest innovations in design. Join us as we delve into inspiring ideas and thoughtful details that can elevate every corner of your home. We're thrilled to have you here, so sit back, relax, and let's start this creative journey together.
This year's trend embraces mint to emerald statements that breathe life into smallest spaces. As urban living shrinks square footage, the challenge is creating luxurious spaces while maintaining modern minimalist aesthetics. Green creates calm, promotes wellness, and establishes nature connections, valuable in compact living. Designers understand color manipulates perception, making rooms appear larger and inviting. Green emerges as the ultimate chameleon color, serving as soothing neutral and dramatic focal point. This year's green trend offers seamless minimalist integration. Today's approach is sophisticated, strategic, and simple, proving impactful design choices are understated. These strategies transform compact spaces into stylish sanctuaries. One. Small living room design ideas with green color schemes. Living rooms showcase green philosophy where furniture establishes sophisticated palettes. Start with statement sofas. Deep forest velvet creates drama while pale sage offers serenity, then build elements around anchor pieces. Choose shades complementing natural light and architectural features. Strategic placement focuses on visual flow while maintaining clean lines. Single accent walls in rich emerald provide dramatic backdrops without closing spaces, paired with lighter accessories and plants. Incorporate green through abstract artwork, sleek coffee tables, or sheer curtains filtering light beautifully. Plants serve dual purposes as air purifiers and color reinforcement through varied tones and shapes. Large fiddle leaf figs anchor corners, adding height, while smaller plants provide layered interest. Choose varieties with contrasting leaves, creating curated effects that feel intentional. Two. Green kitchen design ideas for small spaces. Kitchen design embraces green's natural freshness associations through sophisticated applications. Green cabinetry features refined finishes like matte sage or dramatic black-green, providing striking contrast against white countertops. Balance bold choices with neutral elements, preventing enclosed feelings. Backsplashes offer ideal opportunities, introducing functional green materials. Green subway tiles reflect light, making kitchens appear larger, while marble backsplashes add luxury. Extend backsplashes to ceiling, creating vertical lines, drawing eyes upward, making ceilings appear higher. Accessories provide layered integration without renovation commitments. Curate green dishware, glassware, and appliances serving dual decorative purposes. Fresh herbs in planters provide ingredients while introducing living elements that evolve, preventing static appearances. Three. Small bedroom design with green paint for better sleep. Bedrooms benefit from green's calming properties, with designers using shades creating spaces promoting rest while maintaining interest. Soft colors like eucalyptus provide soothing backdrops, working with warm and cool accents, allowing seasonal updates without major redecorating. Textiles offer flexible bedroom integration, allowing easy seasonal changes. Layer green tones through bedding, starting with neutral bases and adding green through pillows, blankets, and cushions in varying textures. Linen bedding creates luxury while velvet accents add richness. Storage incorporates green elements while serving organizational functions. Built-in wardrobes with green interiors create surprising color pops when opened, while boxes and baskets provide function and appeal. Paint closet interiors creating dramatic reveals. Four. Green bathroom design ideas for small bathrooms. Bathrooms offer unique integration opportunities through fixtures and accessories, with designers understanding small powder rooms benefit from green's calming qualities. Green tilework ranges from subtle marble to bold ceramics, creating dramatic focal points. Balance elements with white fixtures, maintaining spa atmospheres. Strategic lighting becomes crucial where wrong illumination makes surfaces appear muddy. LED fixtures with high rendering ensure materials appear true throughout the day. Mirror lighting with strips provides even illumination, enhancing treatments, while reflective surfaces multiply accents. Plants thrive providing natural elements that change over time, preventing static feelings. Select humidity-loving varieties like pothos, tolerating lower light while providing air purification. Incorporate through hanging planters or pots, combining artificial and natural elements, creating layered interest. Conclusion. The 2025 green trend offers sophisticated solutions to small space challenges. Understanding spatial psychology, mastering placement, embracing materials, and optimizing lighting transforms spaces into luxurious sanctuaries feeling calming and expansive. This trend's beauty lies in versatility and accessibility. Whether committing to emerald cabinetry or starting with sage accessories, principles adapt to any budget and comfort level. Success comes from understanding color, light, and perception applied thoughtfully. Embrace experimentation starting with changeable elements, observe how tones interact with unique lighting, and build confidence incorporating permanent elements. Successful designs grow over time, reflecting needs while maintaining calm and sophistication.